Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 13, surface area and volume. So surface area you have already studied in class 9th. That 13.1, question number 1, 2 cube each of volume 64 centimeter. So that volume is equal to, volume of cube is equal to, we know that A cube, that is given 64 is equal to A cube. So 4 cube is equal to, that is A cube, that is A is equal to 4. So length will be now 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Breadth will be same 4 centimeter, and then height also will be same 4 centimeter. So surface area of, now that is a cuboid because two cubes are joined each other. So that is a cuboid. So 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So that 2 L is 8 into 4 plus that 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8, that 2 32 plus 16 plus 32, that A, that 6 to 8 10 0 3 6 7 8 8 to ja 160 centimeter square, because we have find that area. And then question number 2, a vessel in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. So that first of all we will be draw the diagram, that is a hemisphere, that is a hemisphere, and then cylinder also we have surmounted, that is a cylinder, both are the hollow. So that diameter is equal to, is given, D is equal to 14 centimeter. So R is equal to, that is given, but that will be 7 centimeter. And then whole height is given 13, that is a 13 up to here, that is a 13. So that height of cylinder will be, that will be H is equal to, that will be 13 minus 7, that radius will be subtract, is equal to 6 centimeter. Now that to find, what will find the inner surface area. So that surface area is equal to CSA of 2 pi r square hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. So that 2 pi r is common, so r plus h is left here. So that 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7, then 7 plus 6, 7 cancel by 7, so 22 to ja 44 into 13. So that multiply 576, 576, that will be 572, 13 4 ja 52, yes, centimeter square. Next question, a toy in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 cm mounted on a hemisphere, that is a, one is a cone given that, and then one is a hemisphere also on the top is there, one is a hemisphere is also there. So that r is equal to, this given, r is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and then and then total height is 15.5, that 15.5 is total height, total height is 15.5. So that h is equal to, that will be 15.5 centimeter minus 3.5, so that will be 12 centimeter. H is 12 centimeter, but we need to find the CSA of both. So for cone we need to L also. So L is equal to under root h square plus r square. So that 12 square plus 3.5 square. So that 12 12 ja 144, and then 3.5 5 5 जा 25, 5 जा 50, 16 17, 3 5 जा 15, 3 3 जा 9, 1 10, then 5 2 2 1. So that will be 12.25. So that addition that will be 156.25. That will be the square root of that will be 12.5. Obviously that will be 12.5 centimeter. 12.5 centimeter, and then CSC of both means that total surface area of toy. Total surface area of toy is equal to, that will be pi RL, that is cone area, and then that hemisphere 2 pi R. So that pi R is common, so L plus 2 is left there, L plus 2 is left there. Sorry, 2 pi R square. Sorry, 2 pi R square. So that 22/7 into R is 3.5. Bracket L is 12.5 plus 2 into that R is 3.5. So decimal 5. So that will be 11 into, that will be 12.5 plus 7. That will be 11 into that 19.5, and then that multiply will be, that question number 3 multiply will be 214.5 centimeter square by the multiply. 11 5 ja 55, 11 9 ja 99, 4, 11 1 ja 11, 21. Yes. And then question number 4, a cubical block of side 7 centimeter. So cubical block, first of all we will draw here cube. That cube means you know that all sides are equal. All sides are equal. That is a cubical block. That is a cube. That is a cubical block. And then side is equal to 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Surmounted by a hemisphere. So that will be hemisphere. Hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter? So diameter is equal to, that will be 7 centimeter. Greatest diameter. And then the hemisphere can have, find the surface area of solid. So surface area of solid, that will be, so first of all we need to find the radius 7/2 centimeter. So surface area of solid is equal to, that will be area of cube. Area of cube, that will be, area of cube means a cube minus, sorry, plus 2 pi R square minus pi R square, because this hemisphere trap the few part of the cubical block also. So that a cube plus only pi R square, that will be left pi R square. So that sorry, a square, that will be 6a square, that will be 6a square, 6a square, 6a square, and then 6 into 7 into 7 plus 22/7 into, that will be 7/2 into 7/2. 7 cancel by 7, 2 11 ja, 2 11 ja. So that by calculation that will be 7 7 ja 49, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 2 ja 14, 7 4 ja 28, 7 2 ja 14, 4 7 4 ja 28, 29, 294 plus 11 7 ja 77/2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16.5. By the addition, decimal 5, 8 4 2 3 10 13 and then 332.5 centimeter square answer. And then next question. That will be question number 5 is the same question. A hemispherical depression is the cut out from one face of the cube wooden block such that the diameter of L of the hemisphere is equal to the length of the edge of the cube. So here we will see the same diagram, that is a cut. It means inside the cube, that is so that diameter is equal to, that will be L. So R is equal to L upon 2 and side will be also L because longest diameter of that one. Now that find the determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So surface area of solid is equal to, that is the same process. We will write here 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. So that 6a square plus pi r square. So that 6 into L square plus 22 upon 7, or we don't need to write that. Okay, pi value will be pi, and then that is a L upon 2 into L upon 2. So 6 L square plus pi L square upon 4. So that we can take the common 1 upon 4 L square. So that will be 6 4 is 24 plus pi, that will be square unit. Question number 6, that is a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck to each of its end. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find the surface area. So that first of all we will see the diagram. This is a capsule, this is a hemispherical part, and then that D is equal to 5 mm, so R is equal to 5 upon 2 mm, and then height of cylinder will be, that is total is 14 and then minus 5 is equal to, that will be 9 mm, because total that is given 14. So we need to left 2.5 and 2.5 here also. Now the find the surface area. So surface area is equal to, that will be that cylinder 2 pi r square, 2 pi r h plus 1 hemisphere, 2 hemisphere means 1 circle, that is a pi r square. So that pi r has common, so that 2h plus r is left. Now that will be 22 upon 7 into r is, see that here is just less space, that pi value is 22 upon 7 into that r is 5.2 bracket 2 into 9 plus r is 5.2, that 2 11 5 55 upon 7 18 plus that will become how that will be done, pi r square, that 5.2 2.5 we can write here, that upon 7 into 20.5 So that will be cancelled by any number. 7 4 are 28. No, that will be not cancelled. So that anything is left here. 14 less 5, 9. 9. That circle is 2 pi r square. That circle, oh, just wait here. Just wait here. That will be 4 pi r square. That will be 4 pi r square. This is not a circle. This is a hemisphere. So that sphere. So that 2 pi r is common. So that left will be 2 pi r is common. So h plus 2r is that left. H plus 2r is left. Now that 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is that 5 upon 2. 5.2 and then h is 9 plus 2 into 5.2. That cancel. This also cancel. So 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 and then 14, that 2 ja 11 2 ja 22 mm square. This is the answer. And then 7th question, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. That is conical top. So that this is the cylindrical tent is made, and then cone is also put there, and then if the height and diameter of the cylinder is the 2.1, so height is equal to 2.1 meter and then diameter is equal to 4 meter. So that radius will be 2 meter. And the slant height of the top is 2.8. Slant height means L. That is 2.8 meter. That height and diameter of the cylinder. This is the height of cylinder. So area of tent is equal to, that is 2 pi RH plus pi RL, and then 2 pi R can be take the common, 2 pi R is a common, so H plus L is left. So that 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is that 2 bracket H is 2.1 plus that is 2.8, and then 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 4 to 8 upon 7 into 8194. So that 7 7 49. So that will be 7 7 49, 7 8 56, 7 56, 5 61. That will be meter square. And then cost is equal to, rate is given here 500 per meter into 61.5. That will be by multiply, find the area of canvas, make the tent. The area of canvas is, that will be 44 something is missing again here, that 2 pi R H plus L, and then 2 pi R, only that not 2, that will become, only here will become 2, that will be 2 into 2.1. So that will be 44. 4, 2 2 4, 4 6.8. That will be 6.9 something is, leave that. See again, common we have taken wrong, pi R is common, so 2H plus L is left here, so that 22 upon 7 into R is 2 bracket 2 into H is 2.1 plus L is 2.8, and then 44 upon 7 into 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 plus 2.8, that will be 7. So that 44 meter square. This is the first answer. And then cost is equal to, that will be, rate is 500 into 44. That will be rupees 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 22. Then 20 also. 22,000. Next question. Next, 8th question is that from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter, height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Conical cavity of the same height, the same diameter of the hollow cut. Find the total area of the remaining solid to the nearest. It means that is a circle, cylinder, and then one that is cut the conical cavity, and then R is equal to, that will be 0.7 centimeter. So first of all we need to find the L. So L is equal to H square plus R square. So that 2.4 square plus 0.7 square. So that 24 ja 5.76 plus 49, that is decimal. So that will be 6.25. So that will be 2.5 centimeter. Now surface area is equal to, that will be CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH plus pi RL plus pi R square. Base area also will be include here. So that pi R is common, so that left will be 2H plus L plus R. This is the left. So that pi value is 22 upon 7, not given that. R is 0.7, 2 into H is 2.4 plus L is 2.5 plus R is 0.7, and then 7 1 ja, so that is 1.1, and then 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 plus, that is 7 5 12, that is 3.2, and then 1.1 into 8 to 10, 0 4 4 8, 88. That will be meter or centimeter square, meter or nearest centimeter square. That will be, check the answer here from back side. That can be, here is a lengthy calculation, so we need to do very carefully that one. That will be 18. That will be 18 centimeter square. So that how that will be 18, something is missing again, looking 8 to 10, 3 1 4 7 8, it will be not come, that will be 0.7. How it will be? Again see, from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 and the diameter is 1.4, conical cavity of the same height, the same diameter, hollow out, find the total surface area of, yeah, everything is okay. So where 2 pi r is common, so 2h is left, pi r common, L is left, pi r is common, R is left. So that 75 3.2. So it can see the calculation that can be write the answer. Processes you will write. And then ninth question. Ninth question is that diagram is given there. So that R is equal to given 3.5 and then R is equal to given 3.5 and then height is 10 centimeter. H is equal to 10 centimeter. So find the total surface area of article. So total surface area of article is equal to that will be 2 pi r h plus 4 pi r square, because two hemisphere make a sphere. So that 2 pi r is common, so h plus 2 r is left. So that 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5, h is 10 plus 2 into 3.5 and then 7 5 ja. So multiply of that will be 22, 10 plus 7, that will be 22 into 17, 17 2 ja 34, 17 34, 35 30 37, so 374, that will be centimeter square. Okay.